All right, this is a kit that I finished up this weekend for the Stark Varg, and this is my own design battery pack. It's nice and compact, and it should provide power for the kit for about 2 hours straight. It uses the same style connectors as everything else, but they're much bigger. I mean, you can tell that size versus that size. So you're still not going to screw it up, and you won't be able to plug it in weird or anything, but also this is thicker gauge wire for, battery power. Has to be a little bit better. But anyway, this guy wanted a tail light with a plate light, and the plate mounts are also on the bottom. He just has to unthread these and thread on the plate mount, which is right over here. And those are the headlight mounts that he wanted, and bar end mirror. And I'm sending him a free USB-C cable that's really long so that he'll have something to charge this whole thing with. This is the waterproof connector for it. It has a little wire nut and a waterproof cap. That's over here in a bag, but that's what that's for. And then also he wanted to use the aluminum bar switch because this is going on the Varg, so I'm sure this will look better since the Varg already has a bunch of aluminum switches, but that is what turns it on. It's the switch on the back so that you have easy access to the high beams. And the horn is this bottom one. And then obviously you have your normal blinkers. That's left, that's right. Same thing on the tail light. And then I also threw in this for free. He can just glue this or stick this wherever, but this is a little battery level indicator. So you can tell right there, 25, 50, 75, and 100. So the only way that I have found to wire these up so far is to be with, the relay, so that it'll only work when the relay is turned on, which means that the kit is also drawing power. So this reading is actually not 100% accurate because the battery is fully charged right now, but that's just because of the power draw from the headlights and the tail light and the plate light. So the more accessories you have plugged into it, this will actually show 1 bar lower than it really is. So I'm going to try and figure out a way to fix that, but for now I just figured I'd throw it in here for free for him. But if I unplug the headlights, sorry, there's a dog. If I unplug the headlights and do this again, then it does show that it's at 100%. Right, buddy? Yeah. Don't eat it. Anyway, so that's how that works, but that's the whole kit. So I'm going to box this up and send it out to him.